Assalamu alaikum. If you want to charge your mobile within a short time, this video is for you, because in this video I will show you how you can know or see the capacity of any type of charger. So keep watching, don't miss that tutorial, watch whole tutorial, then you can understand. So I am Ahmed from ARZONE, and if you are new, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more and more videos. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, you have to install Ampere app, which you are seeing in the screen. In the Play Store, you can easily install the app. In the search box, you have to type Ampere, Ampere. In the top, you will find the app. Here is the app. Open the app and permit the app's permissions, which for opening the app. So what about the work of this app is in the top. Here you are seeing it is measuring something. If you connect your charger to your mobile for charging, then you will see that the measuring writing is changed into blue color. So if this grows, this MA will grow. If it will grow, then you will know that the charger is better, means it is fast, it is not slow. If it downs, means lowing. If it lows, then you will know that the charger will not charge fast, means it will slowly charge your mobile. So I think this app is helpful for you. So the conclusion is if it is growing, if it is grows up to 1000 or 2000 or more than, then you will know that the charger is very fast. And if it is lowing or downing, you will know that the charger is not better, means it will slowly charge your device. So I think this app is helpful to know which type of charger you are using. So if you are new, subscribe to our channel. Don't miss any type of videos which I uploaded in my channel. So if you are new, subscribe to our channel and click into the bell icon for more videos. So I am Ahmed from ARZONE. So I am showing the screen. This is tab. It is my tab. By this tab, you will know the charger's proof. See you in the next video. Till then, be safe and good. Assalamu alaikum.